All right, round two here on the 20th day of January 2024. We're kind of in the party barge area here, Minnesota Boat Show. Like I said in the last video, the camping show is going the same time in St. Paul. You can kind of see. You have different color styles you can get here. This is a huge boat right here. This thing is like a ship right here. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a Hobart. It's a big one. People are looking at that like it's a Cadillac. Guess you gotta take your shoes off.
Yeah, I won't be able to sleep.
Those are the ones that you've got money and it's a new object and you have nothing better to say you have one. That's all. It's like buying a Mercedes, even though you don't need it, you buy it anyways. Say you have one. Just in color. It's nice and deep in there. This is another one that's not bad. But you gotta have the lake to be on it. You want to live on a lake. You can use this stuff. Especially, that's huge. Good. Look at that big Cobalt. Look at that bad boy. Easy. Interesting color. Look at that. Woohoo! That's luxury right there, man. I like that. You can tell that's a big dog up there. Kind of interesting. This looks like a spaceship, kind of. Another big dog up here. Look at that sucker. It's like a major fishing boat. It's like a yacht. Let's go over here real quick. The Yamaha is one. I haven't seen these before. Look at that. Goodness. These are not cheap either. Sitting in your captain's chair. Riding along. A lot of them have weather stuff too as well. There's your throttle. With your beverage. 116,000. I don't know if that's a trailer or not, but very nice.
How's it going?
Good.
Take a video?
Yeah, just checking out the boats.
Right on.
Yeah. Just checking out the boats.
You doing live video?
No.
Oh.
I'm doing my YouTube channel.
Oh, right on.
Just doing a little adventure. Just
nice.
checking out the boats.
Nice.
Giving away a little love.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Does that include? Is that with or without the trailer?
With trailer. Yeah.
Okay.
All Yamaha's package deal.
Okay. Some people don't do that, so I was just curious.
Yep. Nope.
People know. Okay.
At Yamaha, we're a package deal.
Just make sure. Okay. Because I don't. Sometimes I don't know, and I question it. Okay.
Right
cool.
on.
All right. Thanks. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
So there you guys go. Package deal. So that's the whole thing right there. Then, so I guess that's pretty good. That's cool to know that. Sometimes they don't tell you that. So, smart deal they do that. That they have that instead of this. Then all of a sudden you're gonna buy it. And, well, you got more for the trailer. Here's another party barge over here. Oh, right here. This is my favorite right here. Look at this one. This one's classic. This is one I like. This one's cool. Easy to pull. This one's nice. This would be fun. $42.75. This would be mine right here. That's easy to pull. You can cruise around on it. Yep, Walker Bay. Yep. I like that one. That is cowport approved. Hell yeah. Perfect. You drive around that bad boy. Someone can sit in the front. Someone can sit right there. Yep. Where you go, man. So you can. Looks like 4. What the hell? I like that one. Very nice. On the trailer, easy to pull. It's a reasonable price. Nice. Love it. Very nice. Well, this was kind of nice. Look at this one. Kind of little Yamaha fishing vessel kind of a cool little one. I like the housing up there. Over here. You got your life jackets and stuff, obviously. Everything you need. All ages. Mumba. There's a lot of used There's a lot of used boats around. Lots of used boats. It's kind of a, look at that bad boy. We're going to kick the tires. Look at that bad boy. Yeah. Let's see, huh? I like that little small rubber one. That was nice. That was cool. Go over here real quick. Trying to get some mini donuts in a little bit. It was $15 to get in. Look at that. Minnesota, they make their own boat place in Minnesota too as well. So look at that big boy. Oh my goodness. Look at that sucker. Mercury. Look at that. First time I think I've ever been to a boat show.
Yeah, these are all wakeboard.
But they're inside in there. It's cool. I kind of like that. The way it looks. I think it's kind of cool. Go take a walk in there. Let's go look. Shall we? So what do you think, huh?
Not bad.
Bust out another 1,000, they call it when it comes to boats, right?
What was that?
Bust out another 1,000.
Yeah.
Something like this, you better move to Florida, young lady. Yep.
Well, that's where we're looking.
All right, very good. Because then you can use it year round.
Yep.
Now you look good in it. Take pictures, there you go. Yep, it's a plus, you look good in it. I personally, I have a party barge. I like party barges. But there's a little rubber boat over there, a 4-seater I like. It's kind of cool. Kind of a hot dog one. Kind of cool. Back on down here. And go. I'll kill myself. Yeah, look at that. That's what she's looking at. What's the price for that one?
115, 19.
Oh wow.
Oh, well, it's starting at that. This
oh my
one.
goodness.
That probably does not
Yeah,
include.
I told her, I said, you can
Well,
do
this
it.
includes a trailer.
Yeah, they better the whole thing. In my mind, they're gonna give that price better the whole thing. It's like you buy a car, but the engine's more, right?
I know.
Before you drive off, they say, by the way, we got to throw an engine in it. Good luck. Leave some of these party barges and hold them lowly. But, you know, if you got the money, why not? It's $46,000. This thing is. Go. Lots of party barges here, man. They have trailers. They have all kinds of docks and stuff too as well. You can see right here. Sitting on the deck with the dog.
This is good enough. This is good.
And you get into the motors here.
No, it's not. It doesn't just go down.
And these things are huge too as well. Some of the old Mercuries actually have a screwdriver when they built them in the middle of it. So, not cheap. It's a big ass one right there. Look at that bad boy. Hold Malloy. We'll take a look in here real quick. I'm gonna take your shoes off, so I don't have time for that behavior, but look at that. What the hell was? Anyways, guys, round 2 in the books.